Midder Nature's tarot reading. The graveyard o' Eden, midder Nature's tarot reading, the sewer's hemorrhage, sticky seas o' porridge. The city has no pulse, it danced the last waltz. Exhaust pipes wi' siren bells, like bats out o' hell. Horns bark 13 o'clock, creatures in states o' shock, clumsy and concussed. Fields are tossed at crusts. Fossils eclipse rubble, jungle fluff and stubble smoulder like a grill. Swamps froth, flasks o' krill. Rivers lethal tonic, decay so crude and chronic. Gremlin septic cocktails o' dodos, mammoths and whales. The chemical picnics, forests are stilts and sticks. A spiralling deadline to Earth's beckoning headline. Traffic rubs a grudge, politicians under a bridge, like goblins on rock pillows, o' bedridden marshmallows.